Lesson 32 in A Course in Miracles. I have invented the world I see. Today we are continuing to develop the theme of cause and effect. You are not the victim of the world you see because you invented it. You can give it up as easily as you made it. You will see it or not see it as you wish. While you want it, you will see it. When you no longer want it, it will not be there for you to see. The idea for today, like the preceding ones, applies to your inner and outer worlds, which are actually the same. However, since you see them as different, the practice periods for today will again include two phases, one involving the world you see outside you, and the other the world you see in your mind. In today's exercises, try to introduce the thought that both are in your own imagination. Again, we will begin the practice periods for the morning and evening by repeating the idea for today 2 or 3 times while looking around at the world you see as outside yourself. Then close your eyes and look around your inner world. Try to treat them both as equally as possible. Repeat the idea for today unhurriedly as often as you wish, as you watch the images your imagination presents to your awareness. For the 2 longer practice periods, 3 to 5 minutes are recommended, with not less than 3 required. More than 5 can be utilized if you find the exercise restful. To facilitate this, select a time when few distractions are anticipated and when you yourself feel reasonably ready. These exercises are also to be continued during the day as often as possible. The shorter applications consist of repeating the idea slowly as you survey either your inner or outer world. It does not matter which you choose. The idea for today should also be applied immediately to any situation that may distress you. Apply the idea by telling yourself, I have invented this situation as I see it. Now for the reflection on Lesson 32. Today's reflection is basically just to consider the possibility that this is true, that I have indeed invented the world that I see. I think that this is one of the most important things about sharing the Course, about living the Course, learning to embody A Course in Miracles, is not to try to interpret around this very simple, clear, uncompromising lesson. If indeed I have invented the world that I see, then that means that the world I see is not real. Now, we can talk about that, we can discuss it, but in the end, it's about simply accepting that, welcoming that, living that, embodying that message so that the true world, the real world that was created for me can be revealed. And that I think this is one of the critical things with being a student of A Course in Miracles, not to interpret, to simply embody, to live, and to find that true message at the very center of this amazing teaching.